Before you buy any other Swiss luxury watch, it must be considered that this Longines is quite possibly the best entry-level luxury watch on the market today. It ticks all of the boxes and it's only around $1,500 to $2,000. This is the Longines Hydroconquest. This brand, created in 1832, does not get enough recognition as being a quality watchmaker, because in my opinion, they are considered Swiss luxury and deserve the same respect from other big Swiss watchmakers. With saying that, Longines does not produce some of the high horology sort of pieces we see from the top Swiss brands. Yet, they still make killer watches for the entry-level luxury market. Now, let's get into the review. The Hydroconquest comes in a 44mm and a 34mm case size. However, I'll be focusing on the 41mm case, as this is the more appropriate and versatile size for all wrists. The case is stainless steel and has a very nice polish to the construction. The bracelet is also stainless steel, with the inner link being highly polished, providing a luxurious and flashy look to the piece. On the case is a tastefully done rotating bezel that is very handy for day-to-day activities. In my opinion, I would rather time with a countdown bezel than a chronograph, as it can measure both hours, minutes and seconds by rotating the bezel. Also, a chronograph movement is more complex, meaning it would require extra servicing and would be more expensive. In the middle of the bezel is a nice scratch-resistant sapphire crystal, which is expected for this price point and does the job well. Underneath the crystal is a beautiful black sunburst dial, which reflects the light and looks stunning. There are standard indexes for each hour marker, with the exception of the 6, 9 and 12 Arabic numerals on the dial. This provides the Hydroconquest with a sporty and practical look, as it emulates from the famous Rolex Explorer because of its 3 Arabic numerals on the dial. It also has a look of the Rolex Submariner due to it being a diver, its dial configuration, and its oyster style bracelet. The Longines is the baby of a Rolex Explorer and Submariner combined. The dial also hosts a Swiss superluminova, which provides the piece with excellent legibility in the dark. Now, underneath the dial is a beautiful L888 automatic movement. The great thing about Longines is that it uses an in-house Swiss luxury movement for just $1,500. That is crazy good value. What's also crazy is that this piece boasts an impressive 64 hours of power reserve, which is great. This movement also comes equipped with a date complication, which is very handy as well. This watch will conquest the water, as due to its screw-down crown and case back, it boasts an impressive 300 meters of water resistance, which is great for everyday use and diving. The Hydroconquest also comes in a heap of variations, which include a blue dial, which is very nice, a grey dial, which is very versatile, a two-tone golden blue, and a two-tone golden black, which both are flashy, but they still look classy. There is also a green face that is unique and cool. This model also comes in a quartz variation for a few $100 less, but you might as well save a couple extra weeks and buy the automatic. Additionally, for a few extra $100, you can get this model with a ceramic bezel. This is absolutely amazing value from an entry-level Swiss watchmaker. Overall, the Longines Hydroconquest is an amazing bang for buck piece and is the perfect entry-level Swiss watch. So before you start thinking about buying a Rolex Explorer, Submariner, Seamaster, or any of the other classic luxury dive watches, I would consider buying one of these instead. This is because it has pretty much the same quality and characteristics of these other watches, however, for a drastically lower price. Click the videos on the screen right now to see similar watch related content. If you enjoyed this video, you must like, comment, and subscribe. See you later.